everybody, here we are today at Harley Davidson in Fresno. My friends over here, Scott and Cathy, looking for new motorcycles. Scott bought a new motorcycle. He's waiting for it to be delivered. He had to order it because they didn't have the color that he wanted. He bought a Street Glide Special, 2022 Street Glide Special. Cathy, his wife, is looking for one as well. So she's gonna test ride today, and we're gonna see what's happening. So let's take a look at what's going on. Here we go. Let's have a good time, and they're gonna do some test riding, and we're gonna check some things out and look around at Fresno Harley Davidson here and say hi to all the gang. So let's do it. Cathy and Scott, you know them. Say hi, Cathy.
Hi.
Cathy's gonna test ride something today. Scott, say hi, Scott.
Hi, Scott.
Yeah, I knew you were gonna say that. And we got Dan over here. He's a salesman here at Fresno Harley Davidson. Dan, you don't mind being on YouTube, do you?
No.
All right, all right. So they're riding a Street Glide, 2022 Street Glide. Am I correct?
This is a 2019, but it's real similar to what
Looking for the closest thing so she can feel it.
Cathy kind of know everything works on this, how it's laid out on the bars. So, and some of the differences between this, because it is a 2019 versus a 22. The 22 is going to come with RDRS, and so that's Harley safety features. So you get front and rear anti-lock braking. You get what's called a cornering ABS, or if you're in a turn and somebody pulls out in front of you, you hit the brakes, it's actually going to track in that turn rather than standing you up and pushing you to the outside of the corner. It has emergency braking, where if you just hit like just your rear brake, it's actually going to apply some front brake too, since it's an emergency, so it'll just stop you that much quicker. It's going to have hill brake hold control, so as you pull up to a hill, once you set the brake, it actually holds the bike in place for you. You're not going to roll back.
Nice.
So, and then it's got on the touch screen, when you hit this button, on this it just has your diagnostics, but on that bike will actually show your front and rear tire pressure.
Okay.
So you can check that before every ride without having to crawl on the ground. So, you know,
That saves me from crawling on the ground.
yeah, it saves Scott. Exactly. And so your hand grips are a little bit different, to where all your stuff is on the screen here, but you can control it with these two thumb knobs right here. So there's one on the left, there's one on the right, so they toggle, and then they also push in. So you can push in, you can turn up your volume on your stereo system, you can change the different sources from your audio as well. It's also linked into your Bluetooth. So that's your controls for those, these two little knobs. This one just takes you back to the previous screen. So if you want to go to your navigation and say you guys are out on a road trip, you can click it all from the hand controls. And if you guys are hungry, you just put in food and it'll come up nearest the bike what kind of options you have. Same with hotels, which is nice for a road trip. So you could actually search and see what's in the area. And this is even, you know, a couple years old. They've actually have made some improvements over this, just with the software and how slick everything runs. So to turn the bike on, all you do is flip on the key here, right? This kicks on your fuel pump. You can hear everything priming up. And this is your start button here. It's the Grateful Dead button. That's what I say. And then obviously right blinker here, left blinker here. Your brights. This does have a cruise control, which you also have. That cruise control works to where when you get to your speed, press it in, it'll pick up what speed you're going, and then from there you can accelerate with it or slow down. If you hit the brakes, it'll shut it off. You just push and hold reserve, it'll kick it back up to that last speed that you're at.
Okay.
Any questions on this?
Does anybody ever fall asleep on one of these?
That's a gold wing. That's what everybody falls asleep on, the gold wing.
Yeah. You want to pick it up to see how it feels first?
Yeah, I do.
All right. Once you get it going, you don't feel the weight. You really don't. It's only when you first crank it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
It's low enough for you. You're flat-footed and all that.
yeah. I mean, obviously, I've been through my bike, but it's a cheap way to definitely wider.
Wider?
Yeah, wider. Just the seat.
Well, my friends are thinking about buying new bikes, and that's what this is all about. Scott's pretty much made up his mind. He wants a new Street Glide, and Cathy's trying one out to see if she wants one. They both have Dyna switchbacks now, which are a little bit smaller than a Street Glide. You know, if you guys don't know what a Dyna switchback is, Dyna switchback is a bit different than your average Dyna. It's got the large front end on it, and it's kind of a Dyna bagger, in the truest sense of a bagger. A little lighter than a Street Glide or a Road King, kind of like a Road King. No fairing on the front windshield, and the bags you can take off, and they call it a switchback so that you can switch it back and forth between a bagger and just a, you know, average bike. They do a lot of long distance riding, so they need a little better bikes for that. And if you guys watched a few episodes back, my buddy Eric, Nerd on Harleys, he bought a Street Glide, brand new Street Glide 2021. My buddy Miles has a Street Glide. It's a little older one, a 2000, I forget what year it is. I did an episode about it though, if you look back at some of my episodes. Scott's on his Sportster. I almost rode my Sportster. Now that it's all clean and shiny. All right, here we are back at the Harley shop. And there's Spencer over here. What's up, Spencer? How you doing, man? Good to see you, man.
Good to see you.
Well,
either way.
all right. Yeah, I think this looks better on the
so
film.
Too.
Yeah.
I like the shave, by the way. You look good.
Thanks, man. Thanks. Yeah, went back to my old self, you know. So, anyways, how's things at Fresno Harley Davidson?
Things are excellent.
Good, man.
Things are excellent. Come check out our new inventory. Scott just got an ST.
No, a special.
A special.
Yeah.
Good.
All right. Yeah. Well, there you go. Awesome, man. And you're gonna take possession of it when?
6 to 8 weeks.
6 to 8 weeks. All right. Oh, he laughed at that one. I don't know.
6 to 8 weeks in
Well, all right. All right. Well, let's go and check it out. Yeah, that doesn't have the hydraulic clutch on it. No. What do you think? You ready to take the plunge?
I am this close. I never thought I'd give up my bike, but
Yeah.
this might be the day.
Yeah. So it's road glide now.
Now I gotta try it.
All right, let's try the road glide. We're just riding around the block. Uh-oh, look out. That dude, he don't fool around, man. What do you think?
Wow. I came out with a completely different expectation. I thought I was going to for sure go home with a street glide, but I don't think so. Yeah.
Road glide.
Road glide.
Road
I
glide
think
or
it's road glide.
road glide or no glide?
Yeah. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Rides just like the wind. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, there you go. Now you got to start counting the money a little bit and figuring out how you're going to do it.
Yeah.
And he's got one coming.
Yeah, in 6 to 8 weeks.
Yeah, 2022
Street glide.
Street glide S special.
Special.
Yeah. 117?
Yeah. No.
No, 114. 114.
Oh, yours is 114.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, awesome. Well, all right. Well, can't
Something
wait
to
to.
sleep on.
There you go. Can't
Or
wait
not
to
sleep on.
to see you guys take possession of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, all right.
All right. Thank you.
I'll see you guys.
later.
All right. All right. Well, it's going to be exciting when they get those bikes. We'll have the follow-up to this story here soon. So hey everybody, if you like what you see, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then hit that thumbs up. That lets me know you like it, and also hit that little bell. That bell's going to let you know whenever I upload new content, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday right here on YouTube. You get more and more people say they've coming up to me saying they've seen the channel, and so that's pretty cool. Looks like people are watching it. So tell your friends to subscribe. And I got all kinds of cool stuff coming up. Some real surprises. And I don't want to tell you what they are because I don't want to spoil the surprise. All right, man. Go, go, go. I'm going to follow him. He seems to know the fast track. All right. So anyways, thanks a lot for watching. You guys be safe, ride safe, and drive your car safe. Watch out for other bikes, and have a good time. We'll see you again real soon. See you next time on the Blues Heart Biker channel.